Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamyia and welcome and thank you to all of my new subscribers. So for today's Dollar Tree video, I'm going to be doing items that's in my local Dollar Tree for Father's Day gift ideas. I know a lot of people are on a budget during these times and a lot of people are still out of work. So I thought it would be a great idea to maybe put together a little gift basket and pick out some of these items for that dad in your life, whether it be your own father, a brother, or uncle, the father of your kids. So I want to show you the items that they have in the Dollar Tree, items that you may not have ever seen, that you may not have thought to go on this aisle and even look at these items before. These items are tools and they're items for your car. So usually when I do these videos, I will show you the B-roll and I will tell you about the items. Well, although I'm country, and I mean real country, like go outside barefoot country, I am also a girly girl and I do not know the names of some of these items. So I'm gonna let the footage play, but just make sure you pay attention just in case you see something that you would like to purchase. But what I will tell you is that they had a lot of items for your car with cleaning purposes to keep your car fresh, for a steering wheel cover, things like that. And they had various tools you could use around your home. Now these are basic tools, you know, just like a little screwdriver and things like that. You can also find a toolbox kit at certain Dollar Trees. I don't think this specific Dollar Tree had one, but I have seen them before. And it had like paint brushes and things like that. So definitely watch the video and I hope it gives you some great ideas. Of course, the Dollar Tree has cards. I didn't record the card section only because they were out a lot of the cards because Father's Day is right around the corner. But I hope you enjoy and stay tuned to see what my local Dollar Tree had. As you can see, they had tons of items. I hope this gave you some type of idea. I was also going to mention that maybe if that person, that father figure in your life or person that you know has mentioned workout equipment, that I do recommend 5 and below for some workout equipment. It's not going to be like a whole workout room in your house type of workout equipment, but they do have some light items that you could purchase and everything is $5 and below. So yeah, definitely check them out. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below of any ideas you're thinking about getting your father, your kid's father, your brother, cousin, uncle, a friend, whomever that special person, that special father is in your life. Let me know some items you're going to be purchasing. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.